Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another exciting video. Today I am going to share 4 DIYs for girls room decor. But before I start the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get the notifications. So without any further ado, let's move to our first DIY, angel hanging, for which we need bamboo sticks or broomsticks also you can use, a little doll, thread and pink and silver glitter sheets. The leftover pieces will work fine. Cut them in leaf shape and cut the edges as I am doing. Stick one end with the thread. Now paste the bamboo sticks with hot glue gun in triangle shape. Now prepare the doll. Wrap the upper part of the doll with pink ribbon and tie it on the back side. Use glitter sheet for skirt. Using pink ribbon bow to complete the look of an angel by pasting it on back side. Tie the glitter sheet leaves hanging on bamboo sticks. On the above corner of triangle, I am pasting the moon and hanging the star with thread. Secure the joints of threads with the hot glue. Now make a banner of golden triangles and paste it on the lower part of the triangle, as you can watch also. Now tie the thread around the doll. Please follow the steps on screen and hang it. Our cute angel hanging is ready. You can hang it in doorway or even on wall. It will look superb with fancy fairy lights. This one is my favorite. Let's move to our next DIY, for which we need fairy lights and colorful feathers. This DIY is quite easy. What you need to do is to paste the feathers with transparent tape on lights, and our boring fairy light will change into colorful feather lights, which you can use around the mirror or at the door also. How beautiful this is looking. Let's move to the third DIY, for which we need a hoop or embroidering you can use. Paste the transparent tape on the circle. I have cut various sizes butterflies. Paste them on tape. I am pasting more tape in order to paste more butterflies. Decorate the butterflies with glitter sheet pieces. To hang it, paste a piece of thread and bow onto it. Our cute butterfly hanging is ready. If you like this DIY, please let me know in the comment section. Our last but cutest DIY is the unicorn fun box, for which you can use chocolate or sweet box. Covering the inside part with the unicorn colored paper, I made a cut on the above side of the box with the help of paper knife. We'll need a transparent leaf and a unicorn sticker. If you don't have the sticker, you can draw and color it and then paste on the box. First of all, you need to paste the transparent leaf onto box. Cover the edges of the box with sheet of your choice. Now paste the sticker. To adorn it more and make it more attractive, paste 2 ears on the corner Add glitter horn, paste some foam flowers, and our cute unicorn front box is ready. I hope guys that you liked all the DIYs. Angel hanging is my favorite. Please let me know which one is your favorite. Please comment in the section below. These fairies are also a DIY from my previous video. We'll share the link in the description. If you want to make, you can check the box. So wait for the next exciting video. Till then, keep watching. Be crafty. Take better care of your health. Bye bye.